Thomas and friends. Is that the church bells? Yeah, I think it is. If you know why it has been ringing for like 10 minutes, it's because that bell's warning Chicken Gun citizens that a new hacker just entered Chicken Gun and is destroying servers. Oh no! Chicken Gun servers are ruined now! Yeah, it's true. How long has that church bell ringing? For like 30 minutes? Whoa, that is so long! Yeah, it's to alert the Chicken Gun citizens. So, let's just keep taking a bath because I hope we're safe. Honey, why is the church bell going off at 30 minutes? Oh, well, I know. So... Honey, look. What is it? It seems like a new hacker just affected Chicken Gunnies. What? I'm telling you, it's not a joke. We have to stay at home until the developer kicks him out of this country again. What? Yeah, it's sad, right? Yeah, now we cannot go out. It's okay, because let's just wait. Don't worry, honey. Doors are closed. Windows are closed. We'll be safe. Oh, yeah? I don't want to be in a coma. Psst. The kids are fine. They're taking a bath. Hey, why did the church bell stop? Oh, another one is gonna ring. Whoa, it looks like it stopped. Now, everybody lock your doors and windows. Yeah, let's do that.